how's it going, guys? This is Ben from TradingStrategyGuides.com. Today, I wanted to show you how to install a custom indicator onto the MetaTrader 4 platform. Okay, so this is MetaTrader 4. So here's the candles. So this is just a basic chart. This is actually Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin chart. So if you want to install a custom indicator, now that's not the I'm not talking about the indicators that come with the MetaTrader 4 platform. I'm talking about a file that you have to drag into here and actually manually install it, so you don't have an installer. So what you need to do first, you need to go up to File all the way at the top left and Open Data Folder. So you want to go to File, Open Data Folder, and then you want to click that. So now since you're here, what you need to do is just go to MQL folder. So just double click on that, folder. So then you'll come to a bunch of other folders. So it'll be Expert, Files, Images. Don't worry about any of those. Find Indicators. So the indicators are right here. So all you need to do is just double click on that. Okay, so once you're there, so now you need to drag the EX4 file to this folder. It is really simple to do, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So I already got a EX4 file where you purchased it from somewhere. You got this somewhere on a form, whatever. And this doesn't have any kind of security or anything like that. All you need to do, okay, is just grab the EX4 file. Grab it like this, just right click and hold, and then just drag it over to where all the rest of the files are, and then just drop it in there. Okay, it's as simple as that. So now you see that this indicator is now with all the other ones, and it's going to stay here. It's basically it just copied the version, so it just copied it over to here, and then so now you're good. So now it's in here. So now what you need to do is you need to exit this, come back to your charts, and then exit your MetaTrader 4 platform. So just come up to the top right and just X out of it. Okay, so just X out of everything, and then what you need to do is open it back up. So find it on your desktop and just open that. Okay, so once you restart, close out your platform and open it back up, you're going to see your candles again. There's really nothing else here. Everything's still the same. So where did everything go? Well, all you need to do is come up here to the top left under Navigator, and you want to click that. And then whatever indicator you placed in here is what you want to go ahead and find it. So if you're going to see something like this, you're going to go under, there's going to be Accounts, Indicators, Expert Advisors, and Scripts. You're going to click on the plus button of Indicators, and then find the exact indicator that you placed in here, that EX4 file. It has to be EX4. If it's another file, it's not going to work. You need to have that EX4 file in here. And so what you want to go ahead and do is just drag this on over into your chart, and then let go of the mouse, and then you'll come up with the settings and the inputs of whatever indicator that you have, and then you just want to click OK, and then that'll be your indicator. Whatever you downloaded, whatever you put on here, it should show up. And if it doesn't show up, you want to make sure you did drag it over. But also, you can come up here under Charts and click on Indicators List, and whatever indicator you put on there, it should be here. So if you ever want to edit it or delete it, you just go ahead and just delete that off or keep it on. So if you want to delete that, so there you go, and then you can just do this. You can keep making circles like that. You can keep, so that's really all you have to do to install manually an indicator onto the MetaTrader 4 platform.